Imagine a world where your fleet runs seamlessly, free from unexpected downtimes or last-minute repairs. And what if you could foresee when a part might fail or identify potential issues before they disrupt your operations? Managing assets, scheduling maintenance, and ensuring operational continuity are incredibly complex tasks, impacting both your customers and employees. But here's the good news. Meet the Xerox Quick Resolve app, a game-changing solution that leverages real data to diagnose and recommend solutions, revolutionizing the speed and precision of your support levels. Our predictive services offer actionable insights that enable you to respond quickly and get your fleet up and running in no time. Backed by advanced artificial intelligence and augmented reality technologies, our support solutions can take your service to the next level. Additionally, we can predict disruptions and address them before they occur. Having transformed our print fleet management and service levels at Xerox, we're now bringing these solutions to other service providers. This empowers them to enhance their customer support and deliver top-tier service to their own customers, no matter what type of fleet they manage. Drive efficiency and excellence with data-driven solutions, benefiting you, your employees, your business, and your customers. If this sounds like what you need, we're here to help. Let Xerox Quick Resolve app make fleet management work for you.